Wow! Hindi namin alam kung anong daan na to dito. Kaliit na daan. Na-late na kami kasi yung Grab namin kinuha. 1 oras kaming naghintay, hindi ikit dumating. Nagkaiba-iba yung destination niya. Hindi dumating, kaya nag-taxi na lang kami. Ngayon medyo late na, hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog. Pero tara guys, busy talaga, busy.
I'm so stressed guys, I cannot be, I'm so thirsty but I cannot, because I'm dealing.
We have very good time, only the Grab,
we
1 hour waiting. 1 hour waiting of the Grab guys. 1 oras dito kami naghintay sa Grab. Wow. Embassy of Norway. Pero hindi na tayo mag-vlog kasi baka bawal. Kaya let's go. Wait na lang yung update natin.
It's so nice, there's a Norwegian there. Hello, I was so embarrassed because you know when I asked him if he's a Norwegian, right? He said, yes, I'm Norwegian in Norwegian, right? And I said, cool. It's like a serious guy. And I say, cool. I get like...
Grabe, ang ganda guys at ang bilis nila at kaya talaga sila guys. Approachable. So, walang problema. Everything is okay and we are gonna go now. Tapos na rin yung DNA test at 2 to 3 months makakuha na namin yung passport ko, baby. Wala.
Oh, the DNA test was no problem. It's just like a swab. And they say all the babies cry. Guess what? My baby, for the first time, did not cry.
Yep, Leah did not cry. She was happy. She liked it. Ito talaga yung purpose namin ng pagpunta dito sa Manila, guys. Wow! Oh, what is that? Finland, no? Ah, Sweden. And this one?
That is the flag of Europe, like European Union.
That star means that how many countries they have, right?
No, that star means the original countries in European Union.
Ah, okay.
I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on this, guys, because I'm not 100% sure. It's a while since I was in school.
Hindi siya 100% sure, ha? So what is your experience earlier?
Oh, it's really good. Like, they're so kind, they're so funny. We have a really good time because there's also a Norwegian there. Then during the DNA test, she's just like, what is this in my mouth? Like, I'm gonna bite this. And like, oh, what is this? And then she's like, she's just confused. Like, she's not even smiling, but she's just confused. And we're like, ha, I really did not cry.
Rizal. Dito kami nga road. Ayan, maraming kami. Si Leah ay tulog. Sleeping. Gusto namin doon kasi gusto namin kumain at mag-buy-nan din ng mga drinks. Silverman. Makeup that you always buy?
MAC.
MAC.
Yeah.
Why you always buy in MAC?
Because their lipstick is my favorite. There's so many nice colors.
You look so pretty ba?
But NARS is my favorite because like that, not the lipstick, but the blushes.
Ah, yeah, I always see you have a lot of NARS.
Yeah.
Sige lang. It's your request, Ira, no?
Yeah, I asked him.
Si Ira, nag-request siya ba nga karon to niyang mama. Bohemian Rhapsody.
I just asked him and he just boom, he started playing. He's so
Si Ira,
talented.
nag-request sa lalaki nga to karon ang kanta ba? Pero mahigay siya, kabalo siya. Wala eh. Gusto niya naman. Andito na kami sa kabila, guys.
Hello, guys.
Yung tinawag na market. This is a BGC. Market tawag.
So it's very like just walking distance from SM or Aurora or Aurora. Aura.
Yeah. Aura.
Oh, it's nice.
candy guys. Avocado.
I got dragon fruit.
It's kinda bitter,
It's
no?
so underestimated. Ice candy, so easy.
Ira.
We are in market.
Where are we?
Market.
Market. Hoy. Mahamang ka. Asa man ka mataga? This one also.
Oh.
May ipapatry sa kanya guys na para siyang itikasan for free.
Cute naman ang baby, sir. Sir, papasage ka na rin tayo.
Ay, hindi na. Okay na.
Dalawa na kayo. Sir, ganyan lang.
Sa kalabas na tayo at tapos na din yung massage. Maraming tao kasi. Mura din yung mga benta nila dito guys. Bili muna kami ng mangga. Mura lang pala mangga dito. Maganda. Na-try din natin yung libreng bus. So libre pala yung bus dito guys. Na it's free.
Yeah, it's just up.
Ito na kami sa Venice Grand Canal ulit guys. Kasi gusto namin pumunta din sa supermarket nila dito kasi gusto namin bumili ng mga strawberry, berries, ganyan guys kasi wala sa Iloilo. Meron man sa Iloilo pero mas matamis kasi dito.
Police shadows. We will get inform you that for now, we only accept cash, GCash, NIAS, mode of payment. Due to technical concerns, hoping for your understanding. Thank you.
Bili kami ng mga strawberries, berries kasi wala to sa Iloilo. Ang lalaki ng strawberries nila guys. Let's be...
Guys, we're already in the taxi.
Subway na naman kami ni Ira guys. Kasi bye-bye na tayo ngayon kasi mamimiss din namin natin yung Subway. Paborito talaga namin itong dalawa na Ira ang Subway. Sup guys! So, andito na kami sa airport. Nakapasok na kami sa security. Bumili na rin kami ng mga pagkain guys. So, papasok na tayo guys. Thank you. Ito, tulak-tulak na naman tayo. Diyan lang sila kasi hawak niya din si Ulia kasi. Belmont Hotel.
Hi guys, konnichiwa. So, right.
We will just eat here, no? We cannot go in anymore to the other security. To the final one, no?
We can
the
bring-
final security is there.
We can bring the food, but we cannot bring the drink. So your Coke floats, not.
Yeah, that's why we eat here.
I don't want to eat yet. I just like that. I want to bring it with me.
I will eat it. We just find it somewhere.
So we are here, guys. Wow, Leila. So we are going to security just soon. I think later. It's only, well, it's 5:20 already. Our flight leaves 7, so it's fine.
Aquino, the one president before, and that's why this is named Anaiya because it's named Noynoy Aquino, Philippine.
But the Filipino is worth.
International Airlines. So
The Filipino is worth dying for. Well, why? What? He died for Philippines. Wait, it's so yummy. I'm gonna show you where we left each other.
There. So dito dati guys, bago yung iniwan tayo ni Ira. Dito tayo nakaupo, dito tayo nag-aba-abang sa kanya dito. It's here.
It was open that time. No?
It's here. You betrayed me. So, dyan, iniwan niya tayo guys. Kasi at international kasi yan dyan, domestic dito.
Imagine if this was there when I was like that.
Nandito na tayo sa loob. Sakay natin sa bus, kita yung pinakauna kasi naghintay tayo dun. Nag-upo agad tayo sa line guys, so tayo yung nauna. Kaso yung flight talaga namin taga-book namin, separate seat gid talaga. At hope ma-approach na naman natin yung nakaupo rito, ma-transfer dun sa kabila. Hope na agree din naman yun siya kasi may bata tayo.
Your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops.
Please do not hesitate to call on attention our cab crew. Should we call for punishment or clarification on these important measures? We wish you a safe journey.
So guys, our plane is not going yet because of the traffic in the air.
Kala nyo guys, ang highway lang dito sa atin ang may traffic. Even the airport or even sa itaas guys, in the sky have a traffic. I think there's a traffic light there, no?
Traffic enforcers.
Traffic enforcers guys. What is your violation? What is your violation, baby Olia? You're a mad alien.
Yeah.
Please call any of your cabin. Thank you. Be sure to lower our Fun Cafe snack bar. Be sure to check.
Sumakit yung tainga ni Ira guys. Kaya advice namin sa inyo guys, if mag-airplane din kayo tapos may sipon kayo, kailangan talaga kayo may kahit airpods or mga takip gid sa tainga guys, kasi yan, hindi kasi ka makakahinga sa ilong mo, kaya ang sound guys, lalo na yung pag-paakyat yung aeroplano or pababa, masakit talaga sa tainga. Kunin lang natin yung baggage natin guys, yung stroller natin. Iloilo na tayo guys. Na-miss ko din tong Iloilo. Grabe, ang bilis lang. Nagbago lang kami, nakaka-travel lang namin. Ngayon, nandito na kami balik sa Iloilo. Alright, so quick, no? We just travel and now we're in Iloilo.
Yeah, it's very quick.
Nakauwi na tayo guys, no? At gabi na. At andun lang si Ira at si Ulia, nakatulog na rin. Nag-grave pala yung ate natin ng balot. Kaya, ayun. Nag-crave siya ng balot guys kasi naman natin kasi nag-crave din tayo. Ang yellow yan. Kung gamay piso. Dua kan